There's a popular saying that the fastest way to a man's heart is through the stomach, and that is why I'm starting this from the kitchen area of this beautiful apartment. This is the Camberwell apartment. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and I'm going to show you around in a bit. But before I do that, please come and look at the kitchen area. You can see that it is properly fitted, nice sink, nice dish area. This is the space for your fridge, your nice size fridge, and this is the store, as you can see. Now look at, you have a lot of storage spaces here. You can see beautiful storage spaces all over the place. Very nice fitting. Then look at the lighting, just to give the design a very nice boost. Alright, it's also here. You can see where you can fit, where the microwaves are. Very nice area. Then another storage space here. Very beautiful. Let me show you the parlor. You can see it's a large, a nice sized parlor with 3 different exposures. You can see there's an exposure right there. There's another one right here, with a lamp stand to fit it. You can see the console, the TV console, very simple, very neat, very precise, right? And then of course the couch, the heart of every parlor is the couch, and this is a very nice couch that just suits the environment. This is Camberwell Court Phase 1, and it has been developed by Veritasi Homes. Now come along, before I tell you the location of this beautiful edifice, let me first of all show you the room. I'll show you the master bedroom in a bit. This is like I said, this is a 2-bedroom apartment, and it's in the heart of Abijo GRA, very close to the famous or popular Caleb British International School. It's close to the Novari Mall, so you have so many amenities surrounding this beautiful edifice. So like I was saying, this is the bedroom, bedroom number 1. You can see the exposure, very nice, curtains to go with it, double exposure, with drapes and all that. Very well fitted. Look at the, fitted lightings above, just to add, beautiful beauty to this apartment. You can see there are smart knobs here, smart knobs, not just a regular knob, light knob, power knobs and all that. Very smart switches. Like you can see a nice beautiful sized bed, fitted for this kind of apartment. Very nice, very beautiful, fantastic. I wish you were here to feel it. You can see it, but you cannot feel it. I can feel it, and I like what I'm seeing. Let me show you the wardrobe area. Very nice, simple, nice wardrobe. You can put your shoes, stack your clothes, your jeans, everything, stack right in there. You can put, your jacket, your shirts, and all that. Very, very nice. Although on this particular edition, we don't have the walk-in closet, Going forward, I will show you some of the ones we have. Very nice walk-in closets. Now, okay, have you seen the toilet? Oh, you've not seen the toilet. Let me show you the toilet for this one. Very nice. You see, what I love about this apartment is the design, the simplicity in the design. It's not always good to have colors flying around the whole place. Same one color scheme, and very beautiful to behold. Now let me show you the master bedroom quickly before I move on to show you the exterior of this beautiful apartment. This is the beautiful master bedroom. You can see it is more spacious than the other bedroom I just showed you, with a bigger sized bed, bigger sized TV console, and nice, accessories to go with it. And for this bedroom, we have three different exposures. You have one here, you have another one which is twin exposure, then you have a bigger one, then you have a bigger exposure right here, right there. You can see it, very nice, like a ballroom kind of look. Then you can see the TOP, very contemporary and unique, very simple, very contemporary, very unique. Also, in this bedroom we don't have a walk-in closet also, but we have very nice closet that you can put all your things there. You have more space up there to put all your accessories and all that. You can stack your shoes, your bags, everything. You can stack everything right there. Just very simple, on the go apartment for a nice sized family. This is space. This is space right here. Can you see the space? You can even hear my voice echo because of the space of the bathroom. You can see the mirror effect, very beautiful. And then of course the bath accessories, and then very nice size toilet with enough space to do whatever you want to do in here with water heater. That's very beautiful setup right here. Well, without wasting much time, I think we've seen enough. Also the switches, smart switches and all that, beautiful. So we're done with this one. Now I want to show you the exterior of this apartment. Let me tell you, before I go out, I'll tell you the price in a bit, right? I'll tell you the price in a bit. But before I go out, when I drove into this area, I fell in love because it's an area that is going to be highbrow area. We're talking of an area that resembles the Lekki, the Ikoyi, the VIs, of Ibeju Lekki. So that is what you are getting when you buy this beautiful home. Like I said, it's in the heart of Abijo, BA GRA to be precise, and in a very fantastic area near nice accessories, nice amenities, full access to everything. All right. So let's go outside and I'll show you the apartment, the exterior of this apartment. Then I'll tell you how much it's going to cost you. And mind you, the cost is very affordable for what you are getting. Now take note, this is Camberwell Phase 1. Everything you see here in this vicinity is already sold out. Does that surprise you? Of course not, because the offer is great. But fortunately for you, we have our Camberwell Phase 2, which is also an exact replica of what you have here, and is also in the same vicinity. And I'll take you to that environment right away. But before we go there, let me just show you the exterior of this particular environment. So you can see the exterior of this Camberwell apartments. You can see that it is very beautiful, very nice, in a very serene area. Let me show you around some of the job work that is going on here. You can see these bungalows that are here, but all of them, they are all gone. All gone. All gone. These apartments, all gone. But fortunately, we have our Camberwell Phase 2, which is also around this vicinity, very close to this place. Also another fantastic location like this. Please pick up your phone before it is too late. Remember, all gone. Phase 2 is selling out fast. So please pick up your phone and call us. Call me personally. I'll give you a virtual tour, or you come in person, I'll show you around, you make your payment. Thank you. Now let me take you very quickly just to show you the development of the work that is going on in Phase 2. Remember, I told you Phase 2 would look something like this, alright? So please come along with me.
Camberwell Phase 2. The beautiful things about this apartment that is being developed by Veritas Home is that this is in a controlled environment. Controlled entry, controlled exit. It's a gated estate, very secure, as you can see. So for you to gain access to this land or this property, you need to pass through security checkpoints. So for security, it is done. Now, what about proximity to the express? Very, very close. It's about 3 minutes drive, 3 or 4 minutes drive from the Lekki-Epe Expressway. Now, if you look over that wall. Look over that wall. You will see the building for Camberwell Phase 1 that I told you that is totally sold out. Can you see that white standalone building there? That is where Camberwell Phase 1 is. So I told you that Camberwell Phase 2 is also in the same fantastic vicinity with Camberwell Phase 1. The title for this land is C of O, Certificate of Occupancy. And as you can see, the perimeter fencing has already begun. Can you see the perimeter fencing? It has already begun. This is the entry to Camberwell Phase 2. You can see that the road network is already being worked on. The road is being worked on right now. You can see everything is going on. And then if you look at the environment, you see that there are people already living in this estate. People are already living here. You can see those houses. People are already living here. This Camberwell Phase 2 is located inside Choice Gardens estate. Now, if all the prices for all the apartments will be on the screen for your consideration. So if you're interested in this Camberwell apartments or the land, please call the numbers on your screen. You can also check the screen to see how much each of these categories will cost, from the land to the 2-bedroom apartment and to the 3-bedroom apartment, 4-bedroom apartment, then semi-detached duplexes. All these things, you will see the price on the screen. So please don't waste time. Like I told you earlier, you can see Camberwell Phase 1 sold out like very fast. This one also is selling out very fast. So please call me now to book your slot. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much and have a very fantastic